Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. My name is Patrick. Basic idea to answer your queries with regards to MBA entrance examinations. So today's question is by Prithvi H. The question is, how can a non-engineer compete with an engineer, specifically in quant, as far as CAT exam is concerned? Now, yes, I mean, a lot of non-engineers are a little apprehensive about the quant section, and they always believe that engineers are better than them. But very frankly, that's not true. In the CAT examination, mathematics that is asked is basically school level mathematics. Okay, and it is not true that engineers outperform non-engineers. No, non-engineers are good as far as maths is concerned, as far as CAT is concerned. The reason being, the questions that are asked in CAT is normally logic based. If they're logic based, so if you try to think logically and try to answer logically, you will be obviously be better than the others. The problem comes is when a lot of people prepare, they prepare very pure mathematically. In a sense, they take a question, put a formula, put an equation, try to get the answer. Now, to put a formula and equation, an engineer could be slightly better than maybe a non-engineer, just because maybe they've done a little bit of formulas in the engineering. But if you try to solve quant section logically, I'm sure whoever you are, non-engineer, engineer, you will be able to crack it because most or almost all the questions in the examination as far as CAT quant is concerned can be easily solved logically. It's only that you will require some bit of practice because whenever you try something new, that little practice in the initial part is required for you to be comfortable with it. A lot of people unfortunately give up very easily or they don't want to try something new. Very common human nature is that they do what they're comfortable with, they don't want to try something new. So those who try, what I've seen in my past is those who try these new methods, try to solve logically, try using options, they tend to do better as far as the exam is concerned. And it doesn't depend upon your background. So first step, move away from your mind saying that an engineer is better than non-engineer. Not the case. Okay. Second step, try to change the way you solve the quant section. You'll automatically find quant comparatively easy. I mean, you need to change, and that is what will help you to score more. If you can do that, you will be able to do well as far as the CAT exam is concerned. I hope that answers the query. Thank you.